Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia guys. It could be multiple Kia models. For instance, it could be Kia Optima, Forte, Sorento, Rio guys, Sportage. So if you want to know where the fuel tank pressure sensor is located, how to replace it, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Number one, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery before we start so we can avoid open sparks and current guys. So disconnect the car battery, and on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal to disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can damage the computer system. So we have a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Second, make sure the car is completely cold, let it sit overnight. If it's hot guys, what can happen? Okay, you would drip fuel on the exhaust, you can catch yourself on fire. Number three, do it in the open air because you may have gas fumes and you don't want to be in the garage, okay, and pass out and die from gas fumes guys. That's bad for your health as well. Now on most Kias guys, it could be how you access the fuel tank pump and the pressure sensor. Usually it's either under the rear seat guys, you need to remove the bottom seat, okay, and access it, or it will be in the trunk close to the seats, like this one right here. That cap attaches only with 4 screws, we removed them already, and that right here is your fuel pump guys. Check it out, this is your fuel pump assembly. This is right here you have the fuel line, this is the evap line, this is the fuel pump wiring harness, and that right here guys is your fuel tank pressure sensor, okay, right here. So usually replacement it's pretty straightforward. Okay, you have a connector here that you need to disconnect. Okay, it's extremely dirty here, perfect. Now right here that sensor goes in with a rubber seal, and here you have 2 things that you need to pry out at the same time. Okay, let's go. That hose will come out probably with it, I assume. Let's pry on the other side a little bit, on the other one. At the same time, both of them. Up, it went in again on the other side. No, the other side is not released. Right here, it's still holding a little bit. Careful not to break the tabs because you need to replace the fuel pump if that happens. Okay, came out. Now this is guys, okay, the pressure fuel tank pressure sensor. That's how you guys remove it and replace it on Kia if you need to do that. If you have any more questions, let us know. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.